if your apartment feels a little off, even after you've cleaned it, organized it, and tried to make it look nice. It's probably not your space. It's the details you're missing, because small apartments don't look cheap from lack of effort. They look cheap from small design mistakes that quietly add up. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Not with renovations, not with anything permanent, just small, intentional upgrades that completely change how your space feels. And the last one? It's the one detail almost everyone gets wrong, and it affects your entire apartment. What most people don't realize is this. Some of these upgrades don't just change how your space looks. They change how your space feels to you every single day. A small apartment can feel calm, expensive, and intentional. Or it can feel temporary, cluttered, and forgettable. The difference is not how much you own, it's how everything works together, and more importantly, how your space makes you feel when you walk into it at the end of a long day. Let's start with the one thing that instantly upgrades any space. Lighting. If your main light source is the ceiling, that's the fastest way to make your space feel flat and harsh. Overhead lighting doesn't create depth. It makes even well-designed spaces feel clinical instead of comfortable. Instead, layer your lighting. Floor lamps, table lamps, accent lights. You want light at different heights, because that's what creates warmth and makes your space feel intentional. And here's the shift most people miss. You're not lighting the room, you're lighting moments inside the room. A quiet evening, a reading corner, a softer version of your space. But here's the catch. Even perfect lighting won't save your space if you make this next mistake. Most people think small apartment means small everything. Small rug, small furniture, small decor. That's exactly what makes the space feel smaller. A tiny rug floating under your coffee table. Multiple small frames scattered across the wall. It creates visual fragmentation. Instead, go bigger. A rug that actually sits under your furniture. One large piece of art instead of 5 small ones. Even one oversized mirror can completely change how your space feels. It reflects light, creates depth, and instantly makes your apartment feel more open. And here's what happens when you get this right. Your space starts to feel calm, because your eye finally has somewhere to rest. But even with the right scale, your apartment can still feel off. Here's why. Clutter isn't just about mess, it's about visual noise. Too many small items, too many competing shapes, too many things trying to stand out at the same time. Even if everything is clean, it still feels overwhelming. The fix is simple. Edit your surfaces. Instead of 10 things, choose 3. A tray, a book, a single object. That's it. Give each item space to exist, because luxury isn't about having more. It's about showing less on purpose. And once you do this, your entire space starts to feel composed. Now here's where most people accidentally undo everything. This one is subtle, but powerful. Your curtains. If your curtains start right above the window, your ceilings instantly feel lower, and your space feels smaller. Instead, hang them closer to the ceiling. Let them fall all the way to the floor. This stretches your space vertically and creates that soft, elevated look you see in high-end interiors. It also changes how light enters your space. Instead of harsh brightness, you get a softer, more diffused glow. And suddenly, your apartment doesn't feel small anymore. It feels intentional. But there's another layer most people skip. And this is where things start to feel expensive. Color is not what makes a space feel elevated. Texture is. A lot of people try to add interest with color, but in a small space, that can quickly feel chaotic. Instead, keep your palette calm. Then layer texture. Soft fabrics, natural wood, matte finishes. Subtle contrast between smooth and woven materials. This creates depth without overwhelming the space. And this is what separates decorated from designed. That's what gives a space that quiet, refined feel. Now let's take this one step further, because even if everything looks good individually, your apartment can still feel disconnected. That's where zoning comes in. Most small apartments feel like one big, undefined box. But when you create zones, your space starts to feel structured and intentional. Use a rug to define your living area. Use your sofa to separate space. Even a small table or shelf can signal where one zone ends and another begins. You're creating invisible boundaries, and this is what makes a small apartment feel like a complete home. Not just one room doing everything. Now here's a detail that instantly elevates your space, but almost no one uses it correctly. Vertical space. Most people ignore it completely, but when you can't go wider, you go taller. Tall shelving, wall-mounted pieces, even vertical decor placement. This draws the eye upward and makes your ceilings feel higher than they actually are. It also clears your floor, which automatically makes your apartment feel more open. The more floor you can see, the more expensive your space feels. And now we get to the final piece. This is the one that ties everything together, or completely breaks your space. Consistency. Not everything needs to match, but everything should feel like it belongs together. Similar tones, similar materials, a consistent mood. Warm with warm, soft with soft, clean with clean. Because when everything feels connected, your apartment stops feeling like random pieces and starts feeling like a complete environment. That's what people notice, they just don't realize why. None of these changes are dramatic, but together, they completely shift how your space feels, and more importantly, how you feel inside your space. Because when your environment feels calm, everything else follows. If this made you look at your space a little differently, go ahead and tap like and subscribe for more upgrades that actually make a difference. And if you're fixing your apartment right now, watch this next video, because there's one mistake almost everyone makes, and it quietly ruins everything. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.